Yeah, man, this is our drink where we stop and get a shop. Get a rye beer, you know. So we walk to the back street and see where it leads us. Yeah, man. Wow, this back street I really look back here. Yeah, man. This back street I look so, trust me, like a dumb street. Come like the bin man them don't come around this side no more. Because these people must not been paying no council tax. Yeah, like Rona so look so. Yeah, man. Back and front house these they call them terrace. More look like jail. Prison, Punish Town prison. Yes, people, no joke. Here we are upon our evening walk, and our evening walk named Full Circle. The time is 16 minutes to 9 p.m. We are in England, aka Slave Master headquarters. Yeah, man, this back street I really look bad. Where all of them waste and bins there. Matches show them. Single matches show them. Yeah, yeah, man. Corona Master. Nice street. Black one. Yeah. Must say I represent Black Lives Matter. No joke, people. No joke. Yeah, man. Here we are for our evening walk. Our evening walk in Full Circle. And today's date is Saturday, the 22nd of May 2021. We are in England, United Kingdom, aka Slave Master headquarters. And this evening we are talking about good dogs and bad bitches. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We have some good dogs, you know. And we really have some bad bitches who just bite off your hearted. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, there are some real bad bitches. Them so bad till. Them bitches are so bad till. Yeah, man. All bad dog afraid of them. The way them bitches are bad. Some of them bitches are so bad till all bad dog afraid of them. No joke. No joke, people. No joke. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we're there for our evening walk near Full Circle, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, my brother.
You just get it.
With evening walk near Full Circle. Because I don't care where you go, it take you right back around in a circle. See it? If you even go through Yasso. Turn Yasso. Huh? Go through. Yeah, man, this is the pavilion. Yeah, man. Yeah. Them guys are play cricket over there, so. See them size stone, huh? Yeah. And I'm gonna fight, you can't fling one of them stone here unless you're a giant. You lift up one of them. You lift up one of these stone. Yeah, but you saw them big. Yeah, man. So anyway you go, people, if you even go through this, so it drop you out back around this, so no joke. It drop you out back around this, so. Yeah, man. Everything is just one big circle, you know? Yeah, man. Look like a Grim Reaper that up there, so. Yeah, man. A Grim Reaper that up there, so. Yeah, man. That's what that I say. The date. Yeah, man. The 28th of the 9th, 96. Yeah, man. Yes, people, I can move on. Yeah, man, this evening, people, we are talking about good dogs and bad bitches, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, these bitches not joking. There's no such thing as a good bitch. Trust me. Yeah, man. See, with a whole heap of mongrel. One whole heap of mongrel pup. Yeah, man. No dog now own up to them puppy. Yeah, man, these bitches, them so bad that no dogs now own up to them puppies. Yeah, man. So, yeah. Let's keep it like that, you know. Okay, so we pass a bus stop right there, so. Yeah, man. Naked bus stop. This is Marking Road bus stop when I'm out. No Black Life Matter in Bumbuckler Road. Fuck that. Yeah. Fuck Nancy Pelosi and Black Life Matter gang and them bullshit. You now put that in the street. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When you're not with no Black Life Matter. Manners and love. Yeah, man. You now put no Black Life Matter in the street. Yeah. I'm seeing that geezer for times. Trinity Wesley, Barton Trinity Methodist Church. Yeah. Okay, so we'll find our next Methodist church right there, so. Yeah, man, our next Methodist church. Yeah. Right over there, sir. Methodist church. Yeah. Methodist church. Yeah, man. We want to lead you right around back on the main. We call this full circle. We're up on a full circle. Evening walk in full circle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See where that road in here? Waps Nest. You know? Waps Nest Road. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, them bad dog when I tell about people. Huh? All them bad dog when I tell. Alright. So me I tell you, if you this leader back right round to Pavilion. First I see them guy play cricket a while ago. Some have a big stone there. So you can drive up there. Yeah, man. I tell you people, no joke. Tell some people. So we have a bus stop there, Marking Road. Yeah, man. We have a bus stop right there, so a naked bus stop with on roof. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. No joke, people. Yeah, man. All of these road lead right back around to the same place. So far where I come from. Yeah, man. And this road take you right back around. We call them full circle. This road lead right back around in a full circle. Yeah, man. All of these road lead right back around in a full circle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See the right. Yeah. Right to far town, you know, you're there. God, that's a far town. Yeah, man. Yeah, take it from the evening walk, and we evening walk in full circle. Yeah, man, and this evening, we are talk about good dogs and bad bitches, you know. Because, yeah, take it that way, yeah. Spain, everyone. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Take it this side and go around, back around, so. Yeah, man, you have some really. You have some really good dogs, them. Them so good and decent, some of these dogs don't even bark. Yeah, man. You have some real bad bitch. Yeah, they just bite off your head. Yeah, man, bite off your head for no reason. Yeah, man. Bad bitches, them, you know. Good dogs and bad bitches, them. So this take you right back around from Bradford Road. See where I go up, you know. To a 40-mile zone. Yeah. Yeah, man. What's the bus stop there? So we have to advertise. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So all of this road lead right back around now. One circle, people. One big circle, you know. Yeah, man, that's what England is. One big circle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. No joke. Yeah, man, you have some dogs. Some good dogs. The way them so good and decent and quiet, them don't even bark. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you have some bad bitch. Some bad bitches there. All when you see them, they not bark. Them dangerous. Me say all when them not open them mouth, them is a dangerous set of dogs them. Remember me tell you that. Yeah, man. So we have a roadside, eh? Road a mass. Yes, people. Skipton Avenue. So that the road the lead you go back around which part? Way around the south where I come from. Yeah. Still let's say dead in a cul-de-sac. Yeah, man, you still have walkway where you can end up back around there. Yeah, man. Some sticky or some footpath going around there. No joke. Yeah, man. Mm. Mm. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So all I Jamaican them when I watch a video. See that? That is a camera bill right betwixt the road. So that car we're going up. Yeah, man. If him go up too fast, him get a flash. Yeah, man. Yeah. Him get a flash and him take him license plate. Yeah. And take a picture of him car and him license plate. Yeah. Yeah, man. And I must pay that job to him letterbox and yacht. Make him know say, yo motherfucker, you was speeding. No joke. Yeah, man, them have to stand up on the road with no. Roadside with none. Hustling, police are hustling you. The one them where are hustling, stand up on the roadside with them. You know, test you if you was coming and stop you and tell us say you was speeding because it's showing for them. Things say you was speeding. Nah, man. Them not have no time for that. So them put it up. You know the road over here, I make you know. And warn you too. See it, I make you know right there, so. 40, you know, 40 miles zone. See camera show on it, I make you know, say. And then you go over that. Yeah, man, the picture your car gonna take. And then gonna charge you. Yeah, man, and you probably lose a couple points off of your license too. Yeah, man. Couple points gone off of your license and take off some of the points off of your license. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You have to just drive. You have to obey. You have to obey the speed limit. No joke. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we're going up here now, people. Full circle. We do the full circle, you know? Yeah, man. So just jump down in the comment and leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, man. Big up. Big up all and who forget. Big up. Big up. Mother B. Yeah, man. And big up Black Crow. Yeah, man. And big up Alea. Yeah, man. And big up them two young princess. They were subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 10 and 11 them, yeah? Yeah, I mean give them the name, the number 10 and 11. Yeah. Yeah, man. I want to big up Stone and we are big up Investigation Celebrity. Yeah, man. And we are big up Radio 22. Yeah, we are big up Cathy with that K. And we are big up PrimeMinister.com. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. And we are big up Brian, my brother from another mother. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we there I go and do the foot it. I do the full circle. The evening will happen in full circle, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're there for the evening will happen in full circle. Yeah, man. No joke, people. No joke. Alright, people, you remember when you over up on the top or over there, sir? And we look over and I show you once the road mark York Avenue. See the next bit feature. You can enter from this side and go up and go around. Or you can enter from which part I was showing you earlier on. But you see it's one big circle, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. You can't last. Yeah, man, you might miss your way. But you can't last. Yeah, man, you might miss your way, you know, but you can't last. Yeah, man, and if you miss your way, Yeah, man. You can ask somebody. Yeah. Yeah, man. Trust me. Yeah, man. Yes, people. So you can like the video, you know. You can also like it. Don't forget, say you have to walk past the like button to go over to the dislike. And you can share the video. It's not gonna cost you anything to share. It's only free. Yeah. Do remember, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you subscribe at your own risk. Much love, people. Yeah.